मनवाड़ एरिया के रीजन का स्टोरी है। उसके वहाँ का एक प्रिंस था, प्रिंस बोधिसत्व, एंड बोधिसत्व को अपने ही राज्य की एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लड़की पसंद आई। शी वॉज जस्ट अ रेगुलर प्रजा अपनी प्रजा की लड़की पसंद आई, बट दैट हर नेम वॉज मीरा। मीरा वॉज एक्सट्रीमली स्मार्ट फीमेल एंड शी वॉन्टेड सम गुड गाय टू मैरी हर। प्रिंस का प्रपोजल आया, उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे बोला कि गो मैरी दैट प्रिंस, लाइक दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट थिंग, यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम अ क्वीन ऑफ द किंगडम। बट शी सेड I'll analyze if he's ready and then I'll think of marrying him. प्रिंस को वो एक क्वेश्चन पूछती है कि आप तो प्रिंस हो, राजकुमार हो, आप ऐसा कौन सा काम हो जो खुद कर सकते हो या खुद आता है आपको? तो प्रिंस बोधिसत्व सोच में पड़ जाता है कि अरे मैं ऐसा कौन सा काम है जो मैं खुद कर सकता हूँ। एंड ही रियलाइजेस दैट यस ही नोज नथिंग, सब उसका काम कोई और उसके करके देता है। प्रिंस सोचता है कि मैं कारपेट बनाऊंगा और मैं कारपेट बनाने में इतना माहिर हो जाऊंगा और फिर मैं ये मीरा को जाके बोलूंगा कि प्लीज मैरी मी। सो ही टेक्स फ्यू डेज ऑफ, he calls the best artisans available in the country and learns the art of carpet making. Few months of practice and a lot of amazing raw materials, he makes the best carpet available and he presents it to Meera, and Meera agrees to marry him. So neighboring kingdom attacks this kingdom and takes this prince who has become now the king of the kingdom and उसे जेल में डाल देता है। Now king के पास अभी कोई काम नहीं है, वो अपने आसपास से पत्ते और आसपास के एरिया जिससे जो भी रॉ मटेरियल्स अवेलेबल है उससे कारपेट बनाता। तो ये नेबरिंग किंगडम वाला किंग क्या करता है कि ओके ही इज गुड एट कारपेट मेकिंग, लेट मी आस्क हिम, लेट मी प्रपोज दैट ही शुड मेक कारपेट फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट बॉलरूम दैट इज गोइंग टू बी इनॉग्रेटेड। ये प्रिंस बोलता, मतलब किंग बोलता है ओके आई डोंट माइंड मेकिंग अ कारपेट एंड ही मेक्स अ कारपेट। That carpet is the best carpet that king had ever made, and वो carpet जाके वो अपने ballroom में डालता है। After few months एक program होता है जिसमें सारे किंगडम के लोगों को बुलाया जाता है। तो इसमें हमारे मनमाड़ से कोई तो जन उस बॉलरूम में जाके देखता है, तो दिस कार्पेट इज लाइक फ्रॉम आवर एरिया, सो लेट मी जस्ट स्कैन थ्रू इट एंड लेटर ऑन दैट गाय रियलाइजेस दैट देयर इज अ मैसेज विच इज एनकोडेड इन द कार्पेट। वो मैसेज में कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते हैं किंग को फाइंड करने के, एंड दैट गाय एनालाइजेस इट and sends that message directly to the Queen Meera. Meera gets her all loyal ministers and soldiers, and next day she rescues the king. So, ये क्या था? This here king was around 38, 39, and he learned a skill when he was 19 years old. Just 19. He learned that art of carpet making. Nobody knew that carpet making could save his life, but here his life was saved just by this one skill that he learned. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ कि बचपन में हम खेला कबड्डी, पकड़ा पकड़ी और ये बैडमिंटन। तो मैं आई वॉज वेरी यंग, आई स्टार्टेड ट्रेनिंग फॉर बैडमिंटन। आई स्टार्टेड रिप्रेजेंटिंग माई स्कूल, माई कॉलेज, and even my corporate at various tournaments. I never thought I could make badminton as my profession or sport as my profession. I was an engineer. I wanted to become a very good engineer. I wanted to do innovations or do something in that manner. But then one day a tragedy struck me, and I thought of doing something else out of it. So when I was learning how to walk on a prosthetic leg, I also started learning how to play on a prosthetic leg. Within days, Mera practice, I used to hold a crutch while walking. It was initially very difficult for me to balance my whole body. The way I'm walking right now, that was not at all possible for me at that time, especially during initial days. So playing badminton was out of question. But I thought, I know how to play badminton, let me try and adapt. And later on, I started to realize that, yes, body can do amazing wonders. Bas body ko train karna padta hai. And that's what I started doing. Started training my body to adapt to that external thing that is called as prosthesis, which is sometimes too heavy. Sometimes I don't feel like lifting my leg up. But then, yes, I do it because then I feel like, yeah, I've already learned it. Let me try and explore more options out of it. But I had sports with me, and in sports I was taught that, it's important to accept a loss. And when I knew that, it's okay to accept a loss, and I started living with my disability, started accepting my disability, everything changed. Sab kuch ekdam different ho gaya. And everything, I started learning new things, I started exploring my options, and realized that I can do everything independently. I just need some places which are barrier-free. So yes, that is what I was doing. I was changing my daily routine. Usme, I added something. I gave myself one aim to change my daily routine. For 30 days, I wanted to do something differently. Do one thing differently daily. 30 days, I started losing weight, I started increasing my strength, and then suddenly, boom, I'm a para badminton player. So that sport has taught me this. So my family has always supported me. Whenever I want to go out for a tournament, they always say, yes, go, jao. A person who starts a race and person who finishes the race are two different people. मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ कि this happened at this time during World Championships only. So I played my first World Championship and my second international tournament in September 2015. So I had read this, a person who starts a race and person who finishes a race are two different people. I, as being an above knee amputee, I have to play in SL3 category, which is standing with lower extremity. उसमें ऐसा होता है कि rules थोड़े different होते हैं. You have to play just half court and singles. And if your amputation level is less, like I don't have a knee from here, I'm using an artificial knee. At World Championship, मतलब मैंने स्पेन में first tournament खेला 2015 में April में, and तब मैंने realize किया कि I can compete internationally and I have all the power I have. I just have to practice more. I used to do my yoga, then again I would start practicing. Every day without fail, I followed that schedule, and then after a few days, I come to know that I went for selection trials for the international tournament, and bam, I'm in Team India. I thought this hard work has paid off, and now I can do anything. Now I can be a part of Team India. I'll be holding Indian flag at World Championship. What more can I ask for? So. This is a very powerful picture. For the first time, we were 7 females at World Championships in England from Team India. And we Indians had a 22-member team in an individual sport. That was after winning our one of a semi-final match. So that's my partner, Rakesh Pandey. And I won a silver medal with him. So I started practicing. I practiced a lot. And later on, I got selected for Team India. This is one fan art that my prosthetist had made me. The prosthetist is a person who makes me my leg. So that person had made me this fan art, and I'm so happy that, he made a picture out of it, he made a sketch out of it. She's my partner, Siri Chandana. That's us in London exploring at night time. But then one thing that I saw there that completely moved me. The thing that I saw was everybody where I went, everybody in the tournament had a disability. Everybody had practiced around the disability. They had accepted the disability, and then suddenly there was no disability at all. Everybody were competing with people with people with different backgrounds, some different struggles, different problems, different stories, but still everybody wanted to do something. Everybody was there to say, yes, I have a disability. So what? I can do it. See me playing para badminton, me running on my wheelchair or me running on my prosthetic. And that is what really moved me. And then these were the people that I'm going to meet every time when I go for these international tournaments. These are the people who share the same passion that I have for the sport that I have been playing since my childhood. And that made me so extremely happy that yes, I can do it. And I'm not here being the victim saying, oh, I made an accident. I have right now changed my life. I'm right now thinking of I'm improving my skills so well. My next target is Paralympics 2020, which will be held in Tokyo. And I'm improving my skills for that. So now I'm making wings for myself, and I'm sure that I don't require feet anymore. I'll be making wings and I'll be flying. Thank you.